Hello, world.
Hi,
Hi,
everybody.
everybody. How you doing, Evelyn?
Good. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Evelyn, and this is Jessica. We are
Yay.
here on another exciting video for you guys.
Yes, we have a new topic for you guys.
Exactly.
What is the season that we are, Evelyn, right now?
We are on the tax season right now, you guys. So, 2026 tax season. We filed the taxes for 2025.
Exactly. And we, like you guys know, the tax season start on January 26th, 2026. And it's going to be ending on April 15, 2026. And that will be a late tax day. So please don't leave stuff for the last day. If you guys need an extension, we can help you. And we have more information for you guys, right, Evelyn?
Exactly. So remember that this video is educational. We're here to teach you guys and guide you to the whole process so you guys can understand, and that way there are no mistakes, and for the mistake to be avoided.
Exactly. So we'll go step by step so you guys can follow along, right? And we can cover every little topic that matters to do the taxes for the 2025, okay? Start with the basics. The IRS begins accepting the taxes on January 2026, as I was speaking before, and then it's going to be ending on April 15, 2026 as a late date.
Exactly. They are 2025 income tax returns that we are going to file for 2026. If you're filing for an extension, like Jessica said, you can do it, and it's going to go all the way to October. But remember, the taxes are due no later than April of 2026. You can request an extension, but you cannot delay payments without penalties. So even if you wait after April, you're still going to have penalties. Okay, yeah. So just keep that in mind.
This year, including important inflation adjustments and updating the rules, is going to be higher standard deduction. That's really good, right?
Exactly.
And adjusted tax brackets. So additional deductions for taxpayers for 65 and older. So that's good too.
Yes, this is good because these updates prevent people from paying more taxes just because their income increased with the inflation.
On the recent laws changes, some taxes payer may qualify for no federal tax on certain tips or overtime income. That's really nice, right? And a deduction for autos loan interest if eligible. So it's not everybody if it's you eligible.
Exactly. You can claim legal deductions, but you cannot create or exaggerate deductions. That's why working with a knowledgeable preparer matters, like us.
Exactly. People that want to do the right thing, because you don't want to get problems. Remember that we do the taxes, but you guys have to sign.
Exactly.
Really important, right?
And it's important to make sure you guys, like we just say, we can do deductions, but they have to be legal. You have to show documentations. We cannot just exaggerate on the deductions.
Yeah, I won't do it for you guys. I'm sorry. I love you, but not that much. I don't want to get in trouble with the IRS.
No, not here.
So this is very important, Evelyn, that they know this. And all taxable income must be reported.
Yes.
Even if you don't receive a form. So really important, if you don't receive a form, don't say, I make the money, but I don't have to report it.
Exactly.
So this includes the gig work like Ubers, DoorDashes, self-employment income, digital payments, or even crypto-moneda transaction like cryptocurrency. It will be the right proper way to say it. Cryptocurrency transaction.
Correct. You cannot leave it out. Make sure you guys go ahead and deduct it, from your taxes. You cannot leave it out. Make sure you guys report it. That way there's no issues or any avoidance with the IRS.
really important, Evelyn. So you guys know that you can apply for a ETIN for as an individual, or you can apply for a EIN if you are a business owner. And if you don't know what is this, most people they say, Jessica, Evelyn, what is, you know, ITIN, as an individual. So basically, if you don't have a social security, right, and you're working and you're making money, you want to make sure that you pay your taxes, right? Most with all the changes that may in the future that allow this country to have, you wanted to do that, so we can create this number for you, this legal number for you guys, and then that way you guys can claim your taxes, pay your taxes.
And it's very important, when, like you say, when you're creating those numbers, make sure that they are using their numbers for the ITIN or the EIN, and don't use nobody else's number or false information, you guys. It's very important to keep it all legal, especially when you're doing all these legal papers with the IRS. Let's keep the information in good standards.
Exactly, because you never know where your blessing is coming. Maybe it's to doing the right thing, right, Evelyn?
Exactly.
Yeah. So that's something that they can just think about it. So we prepare taxes for business owners, so self-employed individuals, LLC, independent contractors, realtors, and content creators. So if you are getting money from the social media right now, you need to pay for your taxes as well. If you're realtor like me, you have to pay your taxes as well. So
exactly, and you guys can deduct legitimate documented expenses. Make sure it is documented. You guys have the documentations, and you cannot inflate or invent expenses. Please don't do that. That's not the right thing to do. Make sure that you have all your documentation for your receipts, your bills, all of that. Whatever you're doing that you want to deduct, make sure you have proof.
Of course. So this is part of give a lot of people peace of mind, that what we have, Evelyn.
Exactly. Okay, you do not need to give money up front. You can pay in the time of service, and or have the preparation fee deducted directly from your refund. So let's explain that to everyone, because that's very important.
Yeah.
So if once you get your taxes done, right? People have a little bit questions about that. A lot of people get the fees from the person that's doing their taxes. It gets deducted from their actual refund.
Exactly.
The majority of the people are doing that, and especially because it's electronically. Okay.
Yeah.
But if you want to pay up front and not pay from your deductions, you can do that as well. But the majority of the people nowadays just get everything deducted from the refund, and then that's how everybody makes things easier.
Of course, because it's money that you are not expecting to get, right, Evelyn?
Exactly.
So you just pay whatever the fees are. They obviously will charge you because you are getting it straight from from your taxes.
Yes.
But you don't have to put the money right now. So let's say, don't wait until the last day. Oh my God, March happened. I have bills to pay, and I don't have the money to pay for the taxes.
Exactly.
And it could be $200, $300, depending on whatever guys you have to deduct. But don't think like that. Just come, make a call, get a consultation. We can tell you how much we charge for it, and the options. Like Evelyn said, you guys can get it deducted from your taxes. That will be something that you don't pay up front. You pay it when you receive it. You're just gonna see that money discounted, plus the fees that the process and the banks collect from the system. But then we're done with that.
The good thing is that we are able to serve all the 50 states. Okay, so doesn't matter where you guys at. We can help you with your taxes.
Of course. So if you are leaving for vacation, or you are in another country and you don't live in Florida, don't worry.
Correct.
We got you. And this is really important. We want to share with you that we are doing this for you guys. That way, we can help you. We
Yeah.
can do our taxes online.
Yes,
You
everything
know,
is virtually.
it's virtually, so you don't have to be in an office or go to see us or anything. Just send us the right information, give us the right information, and then we process it for you guys.
Exactly.
You know,
So if you guys are on vacation and you guys forgot last minute, but you have all your documentation, you can do it from online, no problem. You know, leave us a message, hey, can you do my taxes? You know, I'm
Exactly.
in vacation in Japan or in Hawaii, who knows?
Yeah.
You know, we'll be glad to help you guys with your taxes, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, you know that, and we are here just to assist you. If you guys have a marketplace, Obamacare or ACA insurance, we got you too.
Yes, exactly. That's gonna be the form included for the 1095A. Also, the things that you can deduct is any educational credit, childcare expenses, retirement contribution, HSA, mortgage interest. That's a form 1098. If you have your own business, you know, your 1095, we can also help you with all of that. Okay, so we are here to help you guys. Don't forget that.
Yeah, and if you guys have any costs for closing costs, education, sub CPA, that's something that we can also deduct, Evelyn, for them. And the taxes doesn't have to be a really overwhelming time, you know.
Nope.
It's just a season just to be transparent. You guys said how much you make, how much they deduct when you work, and if you are independent contractor, just make sure always to have, like Evelyn says, just have you accounting, you know, what you spend in gas, if you use your car for your business,
Yes.
if you buy any equipment, all these things, you know, just have the receipt that will help you to have a clear and better understanding.
Correct. And don't forget, with the right guidance, you can stay in compliance and confident. We are here to help you and guide you to the whole process. You guys don't have to make it like crazy complicated or think that it's something hard. We're here to help you guys.
We are here to educate, guide you, and support you through the 2016 tax season. So just don't forget about to share this video with somebody else that need it, right, Evelyn?
Yeah, share, clicking that little bell, subscribe, and thumbs up. You know, we're here to help you guys. We're gonna leave our link below on this video and our calendar, so you guys can make any appointments with us directly.
Yeah.
And also, if you guys have any questions, just let us know. We're here to help you and guide you. So don't forget, we're here for you guys.
We are here for you.
Estamos aquí para ayudarles, educarles y acompañarlos a todos ustedes durante la temporada de taxes del 2026.
Nuestro canal, cuando ustedes lo ven en el televisor, ahí pueden coger el QR code que está la información de cada una de nosotras.
Sí. No se les olvide clicar aquí en la campanita para videos prontos, si no denle like y compartan el video.
Y compartan el video, por favor, mi gente. Y cualquier pregunta, déjenla ahí abajo, ¿ok?
Perfecto.
Bye.
Bye.